You keep twitching.
It's a natural reaction to my eyes being attacked.
Previously on Crash Test Beauties, our IPSY ladies went head to head, put their men to the test, and battled it out in a makeup challenge. Lindsay and Brett were our top winners. And today, the roles are getting reversed.
Update, we're still married since the last time you saw us. Today, we are gonna do my hubby's makeup. I feel a little vengeful. Kind of like a revenge challenge because he butchered my face.
Butcher your face?
He did my makeup and it was interesting. Part of me wants to make it look really bad, but the other part of me is like, I kind of want to see if I can make it look nice.
They put makeup on my face for work.
Oh, just the acne thing, that's posture acne. But that's like a spot thing.
And he's in like the news broadcast industry. He's like, I don't really like airbrush. I'm like, that's good makeup. Saw it on his face one day and he didn't tell me. I think he was embarrassed. And I was like, are you wearing foundation? They just even out the complexion. But it's never been like makeup. And he's like, no, I'm wearing tinted acne gel. Confession. I've actually never put on makeup on another person. Well, I put on some makeup on my mom, but it wasn't like a full face. I've done makeup on other people, but it's always like another girl. Not a makeup pro. I watch a lot of like male YouTubers, so maybe I have some tips and tricks. Is that an excited face?
That's I don't know what's about to happen face.
Don't touch anything.
Oh my god.
I can give you a nice bold red lip.
It just keeps coming out.
This is like my Mary Poppins bag. You look really good already. What does primer do?
Primes.
Ooh.
Well,
Oh, this is so weird.
it's fine until she kind of like pokes my eye.
This is how you dab in makeup. Hey. Do you feel pretty?
No.
It's the best view right here.
I'm gonna charge you for my services. While you're getting your makeup done?
I don't want to think about that, so I'm just thinking happy thoughts.
You're gonna feel so pretty, you're gonna wanna go out tonight.
Oh my.
I don't think you have cheekbones, so I'm trying to find them.
8 minutes. My routine is like 30 to 45 minutes.
I don't know what I'm gonna do about your eyebrows though, they're so like jungly.
We don't have the same brow color.
Do you want like Cara Delevingne eyebrows?
What's that? What is that?
Let me put it
That's white.
If I wasn't already married to you, I would consider marrying you again.
I'm just half white. I'm not.
I can't blend as well as I would like.
Don't scrunch the eye.
I'm trying not, babe.
Don't wince.
This is stressful on a time limit.
Can you curl your lashes?
You keep twitching.
Come here.
It's a natural reaction to my eyes being attacked.
Trust me.
They're just not used to this.
I don't think we have time for the lashes.
When you see the mascara coming towards you, you're like,
Feels like there's just too many things on my face right now. I look like a drag queen. It's like I'm weighted down.
Am I gonna get an eye infection?
No.
work with me.
Close your eyes.
Hold on to me, please.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wait, do you think my makeup looks better than yours?
No, mine's gonna be better.
Oh god.
I can rock it.
I could not do the eyeliner for the life of me because he kept like twitching.
Kind of feel like I look like the Joker.
I feel like my career as a professional makeup artist like started and ended really quickly.
Why?
Because I made you look like a Joker.
Well, high five. Thank you for being a good sport.
Okay, that's enough of that. Now we'll take this off and we'll go.
Do you want to go get dinner? Where do you want to go?
In and out?
Always. Let's go.